Well, good morning, my friends. How's everybody out there doing in YouTube world? Welcome to the Goofy Bastard channel. I am Goofy Bastard. So, coming up in a couple months here will mark 25 years of me driving a truck, working at the same place. 25 years. That is a lifetime. And in those 25 years, I have actually done pretty well for myself. I make a decent living. I support my family. I have been able to give my family a decent life. So, I knew early on in life, when I was in grade school, graduating 8th grade, that I was always pretty much so going to be a blue-collar worker. So, leaving 8th grade, elementary school, whatever you want to call it, middle school, I went to a Catholic school, so it was, you know, 1st through 8th grade, and then you went into high school. So, I decided in 8th grade that I wanted to go to a VOTEC, vocational technical high school, and that's what I did. So in VOTEC school, now this was a combination VOTEC high school, everything was in one spot. I know nowadays a lot of VOTEC schools have, you go half the day in the VOTEC school and the other half you got to go back to your local high school. Well, my VOTEC was all day and it was actually a very long day. But anyway, I went to school and I took 4 years of auto mechanics, and I actually never had a job as an auto mechanic. Reason being was I didn't think I was good enough, and I didn't want to risk really fucking up somebody's car and having somebody die. So I never felt I was good enough to do it. So, as I was getting ready to graduate high school, I decided that, maybe I should go into the military. My dad was in the Navy. I decided, alright, let me go talk to a recruiter. So I went, I talked to a recruiter. They sent me over to Philadelphia, to the, whatever building it is. And I'm getting a phone call. And so they sent me over to Philly, and I took the placement test. I believe it was called the ASVAB, and then the following day we were doing the physicals. Well, lo and behold, I failed my physical. According to them, I was overweight by 3 pounds. So they sent me home, told me to lose the weight and come back. Well, in the process of those 2 days, I saw how they treated me, and they pretty much so treated you like you didn't matter, you were a piece of shit. And me being 18 years old and having a chip on my shoulder, I really didn't think, this is for me. So, in my eyes, failing the physical was the best thing that happened to me. So, throughout the years, I started getting regular jobs, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. And then for I'm I'm not going to get into some things, but some events happen in my life and other people's lives, and took me off of the path I was on, and wound up going into truck driving school. So I took the truck driving class, and I think it was like a 8-week program or whatever it was. And 8 weeks after the program, it was actually like 9 or 10 weeks after the after the program started. A week or two after I graduated, I got a job with the company I'm with, and I've been there ever since. So like I said, it's a blue-collar job. It's not something for everybody. I understand that. And in today's society, everybody wants the easy job, not the hard job. They don't want to work hard for a living. So yeah, they'll go to college and spend $100,000, $200,000 to get a job that pays $35,000. So I just think it's I think more people need to look at trades, because trades, whether it be a truck driver or whether it be a welder, carpenter, electrician, plumber, any of these things, we are in desperate need of those things. And I mean, there are some trades and you can write your own ticket. So maybe instead of wasting $100,000, $200,000 going to college, and you're going to be in student loan debt for years and years and years, take a course like a welding course, or take a class like the significant outlay. I mean, the outlay will be significantly less. You won't be in debt as much, and you'll make a shit ton of money. I mean, go into these technical schools. That's just my thought. I mean, and my son kind of followed in my footsteps. He realized that he wasn't a class kind of person. He wasn't a college kind of kid. And he went to a vocational school for high school, and he actually extended his education by going to a post-grad vocation or technical institute. And he's 26 years old. He's living out on his own. Well, he's living with his fiance. But kids that he went to school with, that went to college, are, you know, have 4-year degrees and ain't doing shit in their fields, working dead-end jobs that really aren't gonna pay the bills if you want to move out and be a independent person. So I think we need to encourage vocational technical schools for our younger people, so they can get an education in a certain field and thrive. Because like I said, a lot of these technical trades, or a lot of the trades, are hurting for people. So, but yeah, that's all I got. Like I said, 25 years driving a truck. I have stories, but maybe that'll be another video. Let me know if you want to hear some of my stories from the road. I have seen some interesting, some tragic, sad things that are seared into my brain, and I could never unsee. So I am going to end this video on that note. So Until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.